Planet, if you're a senior who uses an iPhone or helping someone who does, this video is just for you. The iPhone is packed with features that make life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Planet, but many people don't know about them. So today I'll share 5 iPhone tips every senior should know right now, especially if you're using iOS 26. Planet, these tips will help you use your iPhone with more confidence and comfort every single day. Let's begin with tip 1, make your text and icons larger. Plan, if you ever find yourself squinting to read messages or app names, this one's for you. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Key Text Size, and drag the slider to make your text bigger. Plan it. You can also go to Settings, Gay Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and turn on bold text for extra clarity. And if you want everything, including icons, to look larger, Planet, go to Display Zoom and select Larger Text View. These small changes make your screen much easier to read without straining your eyes. Now for tip 2, use Voice Control and Siri. Planet, typing on a small keyboard can be tricky, but you can use your voice instead. Simply say, hey, Siri, and then your command. For example, Planet, call my daughter, or send a message to John. You can also use voice control to operate your phone completely hands-free. To enable it, Planet, go to Settings, Gay Accessibility, go Voice Control, and turn on. Now you can open apps, swipe, or even tap using your voice. It's an incredibly helpful feature. Planet, especially for seniors who want convenience and comfort. Tip 3, turn on emergency SOS and medical ID. Planet. This is one of the most important features for everyone, but especially for seniors. To set it up, go to Settings, Gay Emergency SOS, and make sure Call with Side button is turned on. Planet, this allows you to press the side button 5 times quickly to call emergency services instantly. Also, set up your medical ID under Health A Medical ID to edit. Planet, where you can add information like your medications, allergies, and emergency contacts. Planet, first responders can access it from your lock screen in case of an emergency. It could literally save your life. Moving on to tip 2040, simplify your home screen. Plan, if your iPhone feels cluttered, simplify it. Long press on any app icon and choose Remove App to delete or hide unnecessary apps. Planet, you can also group similar apps into folders. For example, calls, photos, or games. If you only want a few important apps on your home screen, Planet, swipe right until you see the app library and you'll still have access to everything else there. A clean home screen makes your phone easier to navigate and less confusing. Finally, use magnifier and live text. Your iPhone can work like a digital magnifying glass. Go to Settings at Accessibility, Gay Magnifier, and turn it on. Then Planet, press the side button to open it. You can zoom in on text, menace, or even labels when you're out shopping. And here's a bonus with live text. Planet, you can point your camera at text and your iPhone will read it aloud or let you copy it instantly. It's great for reading fine print or instructions. So Planet, 5 essential iPhone tips every senior should know. From making text larger and using your voice, Planet, to setting up emergency SOS and simplifying your phone. These tools are all designed to make your iPhone experience easier and safer. If you found these tips helpful, Planet, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple iPhone guides. Share this video with a friend or family member who might benefit too. Planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.